Hey guys, I actually forgot to bring my phone, so I'm using my mom's phone. We're getting a serious storm. Just got home from, I'm on the way home from work. Look at all that rain.
Oh. Yikes.
Sorry, Mom. Look at all that rain. Look at all that, guys. That's a lot of rain. Oh my god. I think we're under flash flood warning or something. Mama, look, flooding!
Whoa.
Guys, I think we're getting a flash flood warning. Flooding! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, there was a strike right there.
Wow.
Lightning strike right there. Sorry, it was hard. Sorry, guys. Actually, that was bad timing. I apologize. I wasn't expecting a really bad lightning strike over there. We got more rain than we have in a long time.
Cleaned off the car.
See if any bad ones coming back there. Oh, there was a bad one over there. I should have captured it over there. Wow, it's going to complete opposite spots I want it to. Oh well. Ooh, hear that? Hear that thunder? At least I think you guys at least heard it though. Come on, thunder again. Let's get more thunder. It's a miracle. We haven't gotten much rain at all lately. Oh! Wow. Serious flooding right now. Flooding's getting pretty serious. Whoa. Look at the streets. Oh my god. can't believe the streets right now, guys. It's crazy.
Looks like it's moving toward us now.
Just look at the streets. Oh my God. I mean, just look at that. Kind of hard to see, but it is raining pretty hard.
Hey, in a little while, you want to go to Castle Rock and
Yeah.
the other place since it's raining?
Yeah.
Hey, when you can you look up and see the weather in Castle Rock?
I bet it's storms, for sure. Yeah, guys, I might be going, do a few more things. You know, I might be doing some more work soon. I just decided I wanted to go and make this for you guys because it started really storming really hard where I was at. Guys, I'm actually about to go home, so I'm about to go inside right now. So actually, I'm gonna keep it on for like a few seconds when I get outdoors, but then I'm gonna end the video.
Wait, my phone in the water. I don't
Wow.
Here, let me
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Mom.
That's okay.
Anyways, guys, my mom doesn't want her phone to be in the water, so that's okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna do it. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much how it looks so far. That's the storm so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video.